Finally got my suspension in after about 3 months wait from Fortunato. My 510s, let's crack them open. Look at the build quality on these things. Got some Swift helper springs, got 10K front, 12K in the rear. Decently beefy shaft. I think it's beefier than the 500 series. The hub up. There we go. Yeah, it's not going to drop too bad since the sway bar's hooked up. So it was kind of flopping a little bit more than I liked, so I used this bungee to keep it up. There we go. Oh wow! Look at how loose that is. Holy shit! Measure from top hat to the bottom. I know they're a little different, top hat to bottom. About almost 16 and a half. 16 and a half. There we go. Get this with the angle out. And the cool thing about this is there's so much more camber adjustability right there. Push. You know what? I want to double check the instructions on preload because this is my first time with helper springs. So I called Fortunato because I've never set preload with helper springs. And they said just snug to where nothing is rattling around. It can still freely spin. Both of them can freely spin. And then I got it snug and I just went about another half a turn. That way I can get this Allen key in the front right here to tighten.
For reference, the Fortunato instructions still call for this, a flathead and a hammer to hammer that lower locking ring down and tighten it up.
Use my hammer. Nice. Oh, look at that. There we go. Just roll it out the front. That worked. Nice. Just to hold it in. Let's see if I can just put them in the same way I took them out. Roll them in. Oh, nice. Stab them up there. Hold this here. Run the jack up. There we go. Should be able to thread them and pull them up now. So I can just drop it down just ball hair like that, a little bit. There we go. Nice. Right there. Fuck. Let me see what I can do. So it took a little bit of work, but I got it figured out. The whole suspension had got kind of like got stuck where the car had set it. Tried to shake the shit out of this hub and it dropped down, and then I got all the space I needed on this. Before I was getting about negative 2.7 degrees of camber. Like just look at how tilted the caliper is. I'm probably like 5+ degrees right now. It's wild. Just about 2.75 inches. Actually, that's perfect. I'll just drop it down to 2. There we go, 2 inches. Jack this up. Nice. Looks like it just stays static. Got good clearance, perfect. About 1.5 inches. Take it up to 1.75. Right there, 1.75. So both sides are adjusted. Drop it on the ground and I'll show you guys how it looks. So I actually raised the front about 3/4 of an inch and it's still tucking. Lock to lock. Not a whole lot of clearance. Good chance I'll probably raise this up another 1/2 inch. Oh yeah, it's tucking. shrubs or anything. My neighborhood's pretty fucking bumpy.